Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preheating to 180 degrees and preparing 2 8 pans so the cake bakes evenly. This preserves rise and crumb. Once the oven is stable, sift 200 g flour with 75 g cocoa and 1 teaspoon baking powder to avoid lumps. In a bowl, whisk 200 g sugar with separated eggs, yolks for richness, whites later for lift. Meanwhile, warm 120 ml milk and 75 g butter to about 40 degrees to create a smooth emulsion that prevents batter separation. You now cream the yolks with sugar until pale. This incorporates air and gives structure. Add the warm butter and milk slowly so the fat blends without shocking the emulsion, then fold in the sifted dry mix until just combined. Overmixing deflates the batter. Whip the egg whites to soft peaks and fold them in 3 additions to preserve aeration. That makes the crumb light. Divide into pans, bake 22 to 26 minutes, and use a skewer. It should come out with a few moist crumbs. You make the truffle ganache by heating 200 ml cream just to simmer, pouring it over 300 g finely chopped dark chocolate, and letting it sit for 2 minutes so the chocolate melts without seizing. Whisk until glossy. That texture creates a silk finish. Level and cool the layers slightly, spread a generous layer of ganache between them, then crumb coat and chill 15 to 20 minutes to firm. Once smooth, apply the final coat and chill again. If the ganache goes grainy, warm it for 5 to 10 seconds and whisk vigorously to re-emulsify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.